Hi.
Snow. Oh, and Shell, yeah. Go ahead. Go ahead. I had to put my scarf on her.
Little outfit.
I'm all bundled. I'm like an Eskimo. You like an Eskimo? Yeah, look, touch the snow.
Snow.
Touch it. Oh, you dancing in it? Wow. Wow.
Wow.
Oh my goodness, don't fall.
Gab, look, snow. Come here.
Look, go
Come
to
here.
Uncle Michael and Michelle. Oh, look. Snow. Yeah. Snow. Whoa.
Daddy's gonna have to reshovel.
He's gonna be pissed. Wow. Watch your mittens don't fall off. Snow. Can you believe it? Snow. You want to walk? Go ahead. Walk in it. No?
Come on, Gab.
Go towards Aunt Michelle. There's snow.
No.
Snow. Go ahead. Oh. Oh boy.